Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X1 fuel tank. First, make sure your vehicle is completely unlocked. The fuel flap is conveniently located on the passenger side of your BMW X1. To open it, simply press firmly on the rear edge of the flap. You'll hear a small click as the mechanism releases, allowing the flap to spring open slightly. This simple action is the first step to refueling your vehicle quickly and efficiently. With the fuel flap now open, you'll see the black fuel cap. This cap seals your fuel tank, preventing spills and maintaining pressure. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it feels loose. Once it's free, you can lift it off. Many BMW X1 models have a small holder on the inside of the fuel flap where you can safely place the cap while you refuel, keeping it clean and secure. Now you're ready to refuel. Carefully insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening. Always ensure you're using the correct fuel type for your BMW X1, typically premium unleaded gasoline. Once you've finished fueling, remove the nozzle and replace the fuel cap. Turn the cap clockwise until you hear at least one click, indicating it's securely tightened. This ensures a proper seal and prevents any fuel vapors from escaping. Finally, it's time to close the fuel flap. Gently push the flap back into its closed position. You should hear a soft click as it latches securely. Give it a light press to ensure it's completely flush with the surrounding bodywork of your BMW X1. This confirms that your fuel tank is now securely closed and your vehicle is ready for your next adventure. It's a simple process, but important for vehicle security and aesthetics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.